वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है संजना। सो रिसेंटली मैंने बहुत ज्यादा शॉपिंग की मिंत्रा से। आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टॉप्स एंड ड्रेसेस एंड द बेस्ट थिंग वाज एवरीथिंग वाज अंडर 500 rupees. Yes, I know we girls want to look fashionable and trendy almost every day, but one constraint we all have is budget. So आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में we can get good clothes from Myntra and look stylish almost every day. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So we'll start with this beautiful mustard yellow top. It has V-neck and the main attraction is its flared short sleeves. Yeah, वैसे भी आजकल flared sleeves are very much trending and I didn't have anything in mustard. So the moment I saw it, I knew I'm gonna buy it. But एक छोटी सी mistake मुझसे हुई है that I got M size and I think even S would have fitted me. Never mind, I'm still happy with my purchase and I see myself wearing it quite often. Next is this black fitted crop top. It has a round neck and cold shoulder and short sleeves. The size I'm wearing is L. To create this complete look, I paired this crop top with a palazzo pant which I purchased from Lifestyle. If you want to purchase something similar kind of palazzo pants or culottes, you can very easily get it on Myntra for 500 rupees. Moving on to this beautiful maxi skirt, and I'll tell you, when I wore it, somehow I was getting a feeling that I'm dressed like a Little Red Riding Hood and just a red hood was missing. This skirt comes with suspenders and it has an elastic waistband, buttons in the skirt and little slit in the front. You wear this outfit and I can assure you, you are going to get a lot of compliments for your rich sense of style. For 563 rupees, it's a big thumbs up. I would definitely recommend you. And two colors are available. One is navy blue and another is off-white. Next is this very summery vacation wear kind of crop top. It is coral in color with very beautiful white stripes on it. It has perfect V-neck, long sleeves and it has lining inside it. I'll wear it with white shorts whenever I'm going to go or any beachy vacation. Other than that, if I want to casually wear it, I can pair it up with blazer and I'm good to go. I can wear it to movies, lunch, dinners and all. And I got it for just 400 rupees. I even ordered one jumpsuit. It has culotte as a lower and it has proper pleats on it. Just because मैंने इसको iron नहीं किया, I think it's not looking that graceful and you're not getting complete feel and look of the outfit. The jumpsuit is quite trendy and it has little cutout detail on the side which makes it even more stylish. You can pair it up with white sneakers for perfect casual day look. I know this time I have got a lot of crop tops, but एक black basic crop top is of great utility. मैं इसको blouse की तरह पहन सकती हूँ with my sarees, or if I pair it up with flare skirts which has a lot of can and just pair it up with junk jewelry, this will act like a lehenga also, or with just a sleek skirt and it's good for western wear. So this is of great utility and I see myself wearing it quite often. This time I even got one regular basic top which is quite office appropriate, so I'm planning to wear it to my office. This has very subtle floral print which I quite like and has a round neck and the sleeves are 3/4. Now the off-shoulder top which you have even seen in my intro. I just absolutely love off-shoulder tops for a basic reason that we get to flaunt our collarbones. Now if you're looking for something that you can wear on dates, I would say just go for it. The color maroon is really rich and the complete feel and look, the vibe of this outfit is quite romantic. So big thumbs up. So in the end, I'll tell about that crop top which I wore in one of my videos and a lot of you asked me from where I purchased it. So I got it from Myntra and even this one is under 500 rupees. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Do tell me in the comment section below that out of all the outfits I shown you today, which one was your favorite. Subscribe to my channel if you want to hear from me again and give it a big thumbs up अगर आपको कोई भी part इस video का अच्छा लगा हो, अगर आपको ये video useful लगी हो तो. Till then, bye bye, take care, see ya, love you.